Want to start earning online but don't know where to begin? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 beginner-friendly skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No experience needed. Whether you're a creative, a problem solver, or a tech enthusiast, there's something here for you. Let's dive in. First up is app development. With the rise of smartphones, there's a growing demand for app developers who can create functional and user-friendly apps. If you're tech-savvy and love problem-solving, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning programming languages like Swift for iOS or Kotlin for Android. Many clients pay $500 to $5,000 per app, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on creating user-friendly designs and optimizing for performance. You can find work on platforms like TopTal or by networking with local businesses. With consistent effort, this skill can become a lucrative career. Next is e-commerce management. Many entrepreneurs need help managing their online stores, and that's where you come in. As an e-commerce manager, you'll handle tasks like inventory management, order processing, and customer service. Start by learning platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Many clients pay $500 to $2,000 per month, depending on the scope of the work. To get started, offer your services to small businesses or freelancers. You can also find work on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a high-paying career. Third is Facebook and Instagram ads. Businesses are always looking for experts to help them run effective ad campaigns. If you enjoy analytics and strategy, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of Facebook Ads Manager and how to create targeted campaigns. Many businesses pay $50 to $200 per hour for ad management services. To get started, offer your services to small businesses or freelancers. You can also find work on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. With consistent results, this skill can turn into a high-paying niche. Fourth is writing. From blogs to social media posts, businesses need high-quality content to engage their audience. If you enjoy writing, this skill is perfect for you. Start by learning the basics of SEO and content marketing. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per article, depending on the length and complexity. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. With consistent effort, this skill can turn into a high-paying career. Finally, let's talk about SEO optimization. Businesses need their websites to rank higher on search engines, and that's where you come in. As an SEO specialist, you'll optimize content, keywords, and website structures to boost visibility. Start by learning the basics of SEO tools like Google Analytics and SEMrush. Many businesses pay $50 to $200 per project, depending on the scope. To get started, offer your services to small businesses or bloggers. You can also find work on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. With consistent results, this skill can turn into a high-paying niche. And there you have it, 5 skills you can start learning today to make money online. Whether you choose app development, e-commerce management, Facebook and Instagram ads, writing, or SEO optimization, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.